1.
Hi, I'm Debra Argen for Luxury Experience, and we've got 3 great summer cocktails made with Rime Organic Vodka, made with 100% non-GMO corn from the distiller Westford Hill Distillers in Ashford, Connecticut. Our first cocktail is called Mango Rime Thyme, which is a play on the name. Rime Vodka, R-I-M-E, is blended with Farigoule Thyme Liqueur, mango juice, and lime juice for a great cocktail. Our second cocktail of the day is a lemon martini made with Rime Vodka, extra dry vermouth, and homemade lemon simple syrup. And our third cocktail is a coffee cocktail that might be a great way to start or end your day. It's made with Java Love Papua New Guinea organic coffee, Rime organic vodka, unsweetened coconut milk, and River's Edge maple syrup from Ashford, Connecticut. I'm Debra Argen for Luxury Experience, and you can read about all of these great recipes in luxuryexperience.com in the liquor cabinet section under Rime Vodka. And while we believe it's great to drink alcohol, we also like to eat alcohol as well. And we made a wonderful vodka coffee spirited Charlotte. I'm Debra Argen for Luxury Experience. Read more at luxuryexperience.com in the liquor cabinet section. Cheers, it's cocktail time.